Hello guys, we are going to make a video about making banana carob smoothie. This is one of our favorite drink, especially when we have leftover bananas. They are very ripe. These are not so ripe. We had some that is like almost all black, which is fine because once you blend them, they actually still taste very good. All right, so I'm gonna go through the ingredients. Obviously we have bananas, and we usually use 2 banana for every cup, every cup. And we also use obviously peanut butter. We have 2 kinds of peanut butter here. We have the real peanut butter that is already pre-made, like the one that you can just buy from the store. This one is honey roasted, so it has sweetness to it and it's very good. It's Peter Pan. And this one is it doesn't have honey. It's creamy. So we don't like the chunky, because the chunkiness, when you blend it, it doesn't get all fully blended, and you can still taste some peanuts pieces in there. You can also use a powder like this one right here, PB Fit. I'll put the link in the description. Bought this from Amazon. Would appreciate if you use my link. I get a little bit of commission out of that. Help supports the channel, obviously. Thank you. And we, of course, you need milk, and then we also have vanilla ice cream to add to the creaminess and the sweetness also to it. And the vanilla ice cream is actually optional. We like to have it when we are craving extra sweet. All right, so first we're going to peel off the banana and then put it all in there. Okay, we are going to kind of push down not really mash it, but just kind of push it down. The reason why we're doing this is that we need to kind of measure all the ingredients. And my rule of thumb usually is that the solid ingredient, not including the ice, should be about 30 to 40% of the entire, liquid, including the milk and the ice that we're going to add, so that this will make about 3 cups. So this is about 40%. Once we add the other ingredients and milk and the ice cream, we're going to be about right here, about 50% or so. And that's actually, it's going to be pretty good, because that's going to make a very thick smoothie. All right, so the next ingredient is the peanut butter. My rule of thumb is 2 tablespoons per cup. Okay, and it doesn't have to be exact. If you want to add a little bit more, obviously you can. 1 more. And for the last 2, so since I'm making 6 cups, we're actually adding 6 tablespoons. So this is the 4th tablespoon here, and then for the other 2, we are going to use the equivalent of 2 tablespoons of the PB Fit. Okay. PB fit. 2 tablespoons. This is powder. 1. Yeah, that's right. 2. All right, so we got 6 tablespoons of peanut butter. All right, so next is vanilla ice cream, and this is optional. We're just gonna put 1 scoop or one tablespoon full. That's 1. Yep, per cup. So that's 1. And if you want it to be sweet or sweeter, this is going to be. We need 3. If we're making 3 cups. If you want to have extra sweetness, this is the ingredient that you're gonna put extra on. That's 2. 1 more, big one. Okay, that's 3. All right, so we don't only want it to be too sweet. That's why we're only adding that much. All right, next is going to be ice. And the reason ice is next, not milk, is because milk is the last ingredient because it's gonna go all over the ice and it's gonna fill up to the last level. And that's when we start blending it. All right, so we got the ice loaded in, and it's somewhere between 1,700 milliliter to 2,000 milliliter. I'm not always exact, but you know, this is usually good enough for 3 large Texas-sized cup. All right, next we are going to add the milk. Like I said, milk is the last ingredient because it's the liquid obviously kind of fill in everywhere, and we're just gonna fill it in until it goes up to around 1750. Keep on going, keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. More. Good. All right. All right, we're gonna start the blender. Start it slow. And we can start increasing it. No, put all full speed. Okay, that's it. All right, so we have 3 cups and just gonna start pouring now. That is kind of the consistency that we're looking there. Is not really thick like a shake, but like a smoothie. Wow, I think we made a little bit too much. Yeah, so sorry, obviously this is not a Texas-sized cup. No, that's a Texas-sized cup. That's what I'm talking about.
Still not enough.
Well, if we had 3 of those, it would have been perfect.
Enough.
All right, thank you guys for watching. This is the end of our banana carob how-to video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to click on the link in the description. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.